Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a really important information literacy skill. The objective of this lesson is to learn how to gather appropriate information by systematically questioning and assessing the validity and accuracy of information. In today's day and age, there is fake news everywhere because anyone can add information to the internet. So this brings me into our discussion question. How do we find credible and reliable sources and information on the internet? I've put together this Padlet to provide you with several great resources to help guide you to answer this question. If you take a look at the resources, you'll see there are several PDF documents that give you tips on how to fact check and understand bias. This first one here talks about the different type of information that you might run into. This next one talks about how to understand bias, the different types of bias, where you might find them. And then the next few are some resources and tips to help you fact check. So this one has several websites that you can go to that can help you figure out if your source is reliable or not. This one talks about how to tell if something is fake or real. This next one is 7 standards of quality journalism. So it's things to look for to see if an article is actually reliable and if it's a quality article. This one has 3 questions to ask. Who's behind the information? What's the evidence? And what do other sources say? So when you're doing research and trying to figure out if a source is reliable or not, those are 3 essential questions to ask. This one here goes a little bit more in depth. It's a legit-o-meter, and it helps you figure out if a website is legit, if it's somewhere in the middle, or if it's totally fake. And then these last few resources are all about how to fact check and spot fake news. So this is another PDF document that talks about the 6 steps to spot fake news. And then it even has something that you could print out and fill out to help you figure out more information about your source. And then I've posted 3 videos for you. So this first one, Tips for Reading News Online, is super short and gives you some really good tips. This next one, 5 Ways to Spot Fake News, again, super short, some great advice. This last one, How to Fact Check the Internet, this one's a little longer. It's about 15 minutes, but it is a great video, and it really walks you through step by step how to determine if an article is reliable or not. So I highly recommend this video here if you have the time to watch it. Y'all might be wondering, Miss Brown, why is this important for us to learn? Well, it's important for you to learn because it's going to help you with your research skills in school as far as research projects and essays you might have to write. But it's also a skill that you will carry with you for the rest of your life. With the increase in social media use and the ability to share anything in the blink of an eye, it's important to know what is real and what is fake. It's so important to not just read a headline and share it, because so many people do that and they don't realize that they are spreading false information. So make sure you're educated, make sure that you are spreading correct information, and use these skills to help you do that.